Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI Redmi 9AT to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bar over here, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and repeat all of those actions. So I accept. Come on. Confirm, continue, allow. Then choose receive on an Android and send on XIAOMI. Now tap on all of those kind of dots and choose send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only select this one photo. Over here, click send and tap got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this password over here and choose receive, or tap on the scanning icon, choose while using the app or only this time, and scan QR code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but we can always check it out for sure by going into some kind of Files app or File Manager app, selecting in my case images, and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!